On this new short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to reset Instagram Explore page easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is go to the Play Store and then search for Instagram like this and click on update to update it into the latest version. And then you have to go into Instagram, go to the Explore page and then go into the posts or the reels that you like and make sure to put a like on them like this. And if you don't like a video or a post, don't put a like. And then go into the posts or the reels that you don't like. For example, this one here. And then go into those three dots and click on not interested. And keep going with the same strategy right here until your explore page is cleared. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.